What's up cuties? Li Auto is the Chinese new energy car brand. This is the flagship R9. Today, let me show you how to adapt the cruise control. Press one time down on the shift lever when it's in the driving gear to activate the adapting cruise control. You can activate any speed from 0 to 130 km per hour, but its working condition is from 30 to 130 km per hour. If it's actively below 30 km per hour, the vehicle will automatically accelerate to 30 km per hour for cruising. If there's any car ahead, the vehicle will automatically follow the car in the front. Adjusting vehicle speed through the scrolling on the right-hand side in the steering wheel. Lightly do to adjust 1 km per hour per time, hardly do to adjust 5 km per hour per time. The exit from the cruising, just pull a little brake pedal or lift up the shift lever. Want to know more about Li Auto R9? Subscribe us now.